Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we are at the beginning of a new month of December, and usually what we do is look at the Windows market share. We'll see if Windows 11, Windows 10, what's happening, and it is a surprising month as Windows 11 has actually dropped and Windows 10 gained this month, which is kind of weird when you look at the fact that for the last months, it's been steadily going down for Windows 10. And then suddenly, we look at Windows 10 for November, and we're at 61.83, which is almost 1% higher than last month. And we had, for the past months, a steady rise of Windows 11. And suddenly we see that Windows 11 went from 35.6 to 34.9. So it's almost equal. It's almost like some people from Windows 11 decided to go back to Windows 10. I wonder if 24H2 could be a reason for this, because we've been talking a lot about issues on 24H2. It seems like every week I post a video of new problems that are in 24H2. So I'm almost wondering if did people move on to 24H2, find so many problems that they could have, and decided, no, I'm going back to Windows 10. This is crazy. It's clearly a battle going on. We're less than a year now for Windows 10. It's still at 60%. It's an incredible big number. No other Windows ever in history had such a high market share so close to the end. This is definitely something that Microsoft will have to take into account. We know that we have a 1-year extension that will be available for $30. Will they keep it at just 1 year? I don't know, but it's really, really, really interesting. If we look at, and we're going to go back to January, Windows 10 was at 66.5. We're now at 61.8. Honestly, it's roughly 5%. That isn't a very big drop in a year, 5%. Imagine if we go to 2025 and throughout the whole year, it only drops between 5 and 10%. Half of the computers by the end of next year will still be on Windows 10. So you could see that there's resistance here. A lot of people do not want to go to Windows 11. It is obvious. And it's not good news that Windows 11 this month actually dropped rather than continue its rise that it's been going through. And if we look at January 2024, Windows 11 was at 27.8. December, we're at 34.9. That ain't a big rise. It's not rising very fast. So really going to be interesting to see 2025. I think there could be a lot of surprises there. And maybe even Windows or Microsoft might need to react to this with what's happening. So what are your thoughts on this? You can post comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.